To obtain your Payoneer IBAN, follow these steps. The IBAN is essential for receiving international payments, especially from clients or companies that require it for bank transfers. Here's how to find it. Log into your Payoneer account. Go to the Payoneer website and enter your credentials to access your account. Navigate to the Receive section. After logging in, look for the Receive tab in the main menu. This section provides information about receiving payments. Select Global Payment Service. Click on the Global Payment Service option. This feature allows you to receive payments in different currencies through local bank accounts. Choose the currency. You will see a list of currencies. Select the currency for which you want to find the IBAN. View your IBAN. After selecting the currency, the page will display your account details, including the IBAN associated with that currency. Note that not all Payoneer accounts may have an IBAN. Copy the IBAN. Copy the IBAN carefully for use in your transactions.